1 year, 6 months back, and we came back to the house and we have said that point of time that this is the condition of the Manipur was that Article 356 should have been imposed. But that time 356 was not imposed. Now 356 has been imposed. Now as a result thereof at Manipur, how many persons have died? Sir, it is also reported over 5,000 injured and 32 missing. 4,076 houses were burnt and 386 religious structures were vandalized, including temples and churches. Since the violence of Manipur has been divided into two camps, with Meiteis inhabiting the Imphal Valley and the Kukis living in the surrounding hill areas. Out of 243 violence reported from northeast states in 2023, 187 were Manipur. Manipur has suffered more than any state due to the recent inflation and economic woes in the country, and there was no action from the Center for Restoration of Peace and for dialogue to help the displaced return to their homes. They are taking about the development of the Northeast, but have the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister, went to the Manipur at least last 1 year, 6 months back. The Manipur situation should not have been arisen. It is unfortunate that although repeatedly we have said the Honorable Prime Minister should go to the Manipur and visualize the position, but unfortunately at 5 minutes time has not been allocated by the Honorable Prime Minister for going into the Manipur itself. Now the question is, Madam, थोड़ा टाइम तो दीजिए, ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं? Sir, we have the copy of the proposed rupees. Now, in such a situation, how much money has been allocated to Manipur? Rupees 15 crore has been provided for temporary shelter, 35 crores towards housing and displaced people, 100 crore for relief operation, and 7 crore for compensation. Such a little amount, how can it help the Manipur people to develop? How the Manipur will be developed with this little amount itself? Madam, Manipur population, who are mostly affected in the Manipur population, scheduled population 25, scheduled tribe is 40.9%. In Manipur, Madam, 40.9%, scheduled tribe, scheduled caste is 3.41%. Meitei, 41.39%. Meitei, Pagans, Muslim 41.29%. Kuki, Chain Mizo 8.40%. Other religion 8.19%. By reason of this violence, who has suffered? Scheduled tribe peoples have been suffered. Scheduled caste people have been suffered. Poor peoples have been suffered. Thousands and thousands of Romans have been raped at Manipur. Manipur has not got the justice from the Honorable Prime Minister. Manipur needs the justice. Manipur justice has to be given. This is not the way. This ought to have imposed, and immediately elections should be held for the Manipur itself.
आज मणिपुर के विषय में बहुत कुछ बोला गया है। मैं बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है मुझे कि यहां कहीं न कहीं जहां एक एकता दिखना चाहिए, उस एकता की कमी है। मैं कुछ आंकड़े रखना चाहूंगा और अपोजिशन के हमारे सदस्य, उनका अधिकार है कि वो इन आंकड़ों को मांगे और जाने भी, क्योंकि ये देश हम सबका है। इंटरनली डिस्प्लेस्ड पीपल, IDP जिसको कहा जाता है, उनके लिए यहां प्रश्न उठना भी चाहिए। उनके लिए क्या किया गया? In response, the government has implemented a series of measures aimed at providing immediate relief, long-term rehabilitation, and economic stability for the internally displaced persons, IDPs. These initiatives are housing assistance first, prefabricated housing for 3,000 families to provide immediate shelter, 2,660 houses completed, 2,520 houses occupied, 340 houses will be completed by the end of the month. Financial aid of 1,000 rupees has been provided on 5 separate occasions, amounting to a total of 30 crore. An additional 27 crore has been released to support the housing reconstruction efforts in Manipur for those who are internally displaced. Relief camp operations have been sustained with an allocation of rupees 280 crore, ensuring essential services such as food and health care for affected families. A compensatory package of rupees 32 crore has been provided to farmers for those who suffered agricultural losses due to the conflict. माननीय सभापति महोदय, एजुकेशनल सपोर्ट के बारे में भी माननीय सदस्यों ने बात की. A total of 11,763 displaced students have been enrolled in various educational institutions. The government, schools and colleges have provided free admission. कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स रिहैबिलिटेशन स्कीम उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया 2023 में, जिसने 1000 डिस्प्लेस्ड बच्चों की मदद की ताकि वो वहां फ्रीली जाके एडमिशन ले सके, और उनको 10,000 रुपए की राशि भी ऊपर से दिया गया. एम्प्लॉयमेंट और स्किल डेवलपमेंट डिस्प्लेस्ड लोगों के लिए 426 IDP लेड स्टार्टअप्स have received government support. ये स्टार्टअप के माध्यम से कई लोगों को नौकरी दी गई. जो अभी 500 इंडिविजुअल उसमें एनरोल हुए हैं हाल फिलहाल में. कैबिन क्रू ट्रेनिंग इन दिल्ली, जिसमें मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा एयर इंडिया, इंडिगो एयरलाइंस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म को धन्यवाद दूंगा. उनके माध्यम से 500 बच्चे मणिपुर के जो डिस्प्लेस हुए थे उनको यहां प्लेस किया गया है. फ्री मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू दी IDPs एट जेनिम्स. और ठीक उसी प्रकार हमारी जो गर्भवती माताएं हैं इन रिलीफ कैंपों में, उनके लिए भी हर संवेदना के साथ पूरी तरह की प्रोविजन की गई है. अंत में महोदय, मैं बस अपने भाषण के अंत में यही कहना चाहूंगा कि हमारे राहुल जी ने थोड़े दिन पहले, कल ही उन्होंने कहा कि वोटर लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी है. अभी अरविंद सावंत जी भी बोल रहे थे कि वोटर लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी. वोटर लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी नहीं है, आपके डेवलपमेंट लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी थी. आपके डेवलपमेंट लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी थी, वोटर लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी नहीं है. अभी हमने बताया आपको, अगर वैसा डेवलपमेंट आपने किया होता तो आज आप वहां नहीं बैठे होते. दूसरी बात, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है कि रोहित शर्मा अनफिट है. रोहित शर्मा अनफिट नहीं है, राहुल गांधी अनफिट है. और मैं बता दूं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कप्तानी में ही आप देखिएगा भारत विश्व का चैंपियनशिप ट्रॉफी जीतेगी. भारत माता की जय. जय जगन्नाथ.